Hi there, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can take super fast pictures of your screen and screenshots. So these are some of the commands and I'm going to explain them in a little bit more detail now. The first one, as you know, is print screen. Print screen basically copies the entire screen, and if I paste it here or in Paint, for example, I open Paint and you see my two screens. Okay, so print screen copies the entire screens, and if you have two screens in the clipboard, and yes, you can basically see the entire screen. So this is useful but not so fast. The second thing you can do is Windows key plus print screen, which basically when you click this, it copies the clipboard and takes pictures in the screenshots here. For example, if I press Windows plus print screen now, you see screenshot of my screen basically. And this is really fast. If you just want to take a picture of the entire screen, this is super fast. And the third tip is to use Alt plus print screen. This does something similar to um, to print screen, but basically copies only this window which is active now. So right now I should copy only the notepad window, and if I paste this, you see only the notepad window. You can paste this thing basically with Control plus V in Messenger, in Word, and in this website on Paste, which I just found. For example, to copy the clipboard to the website. And my last tip, which is really cool, is to use Windows plus Shift plus S. What this does is basically allows you to select area of the screen which you can copy to the clipboard, which is really useful, at least for me. It's not the entire screen, but it's part of the screen, and you can just select the area. This is similar to the snipping tool, and I'm going to show you now also the snipping tool and one shortcut for the snipping tool. So snipping tool, you can find it here, and if you just click new, oops, not this, wait. If you just click new with rectangular snip, you can select again part of the screen, and then here you can draw something and save this somewhere, for example on the desktop. The shortcut for the snipping tool is Control plus print screen. This is for the new. So if you click Control plus print screen, it's like clicking the new. And from all these shortcuts, basically my favorites are Windows plus print screen, which basically is super fast and takes screenshots of the entire screen, which I can then edit with Paint, for example, and select, clip, crop, then save. And the second thing, which is my favorite, is this shortcut, which is copies part of the screen to the clipboard. For example, on my head here, and if I paste it, you'll see this. You can paste this again in Messenger, which is super fast, and Word, and I think some other editors which support copying from the keyboard. Thank you very much.